Hello YouTube. So in this video I'll be doing the viral flip over Fulani braids for my birthday hairstyle. So if you're interested in seeing how I completed this look, then just keep on watching. Hey YouTube, this is Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to actually be doing my birthday style. This is the style I'm going to wear on my trip that's coming up in like less than 24 hours. So I'm going to do the viral flip over Fulani braids. I've been seeing it everywhere. I thought it was super cute and I thought it is giving vacation hair, so we're going to be doing that today. The products I'm going to be using is Freetress Canon braiding hair. This is in 1B. It's in 56 inches. And then for the curly pieces, I'm gonna be doing this human hair blend. I've never used this before, so we're gonna see how this work out, y'all. Yeah, we just gonna see how this work out. Also, for helping to part with the back of my hair, I did purchase a three-way mirror that goes over the door. Y'all will see me using that here shortly. I will be linking this stuff down below. This one is for Amazon, so I will be linking that down below. And other products I'm gonna be using is Shine and Jam for the parts. That's usually pretty standard. And then yeah, we gonna get it moving. So I'm gonna be doing this real quick because my flight leaving less than 24 hours, so let's get it. All right, we're gonna start off with freshly washed and blow dried hair. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair into 3 sections with 2 in the front and 1 big section in the back. I do use my ears as a guide just to make sure the front is properly separated from the back. And then I tie the front section in a bun to get it out the way. And now I'm gonna open my mirror so I can do the back. All right, y'all, so this is the 3-way mirror that I got from Amazon. Oh my gosh. Alright, so basically you just put this over your dough. Now the one I got does have like the ability to have some lights on it. But I feel like the lights really don't add a whole lot, so I don't really never turn them on. Let me put this on the dough. Once I put the mirror on the door, I'm ready to start on my hair. So I got my hair separated. Just for starters. So when it comes down to the human hair, I'm not gonna add a whole lot of it because I really just don't feel like it. To be honest, I just don't feel like it. So this hair comes on like, I don't know what these things are called. Let me find one I haven't ripped out. It comes like this. So what I did was I just basically unwrapped that little gold thing on it and then started pulling out this little, I don't even know what this stuff called, but whatever this little thread is here, I just started pulling it out. And I'm gonna actually have to braid this in for it to work, because I'm not doing no crochet hair in this water because I do not feel like dealing with the headache. And I'm sure it's a better way to do this, but y'all, I just really do not have the patience. Anyways, but once you have all this string taken out like that, so you can just separate it from the little string. I just take it and pull this up. And it may be a better way to do it, but I don't know about it. So yeah, I'll just braid these in. Y'all will see that shortly. So I'm gonna go ahead and start parting off the back of my hair. I have stated this in other videos, but now when I do my hair, I rarely put the Shine and Jam on my scalp because it just really causes a lot of irritation. So I just basically put it on my hair. But for my back section, I'm going to go ahead and separate that out, get prepared to do the knotless braids. I usually just add probably about 3 or 4 pieces of the Canon hair to make my knotless braid. Then once I have everything added in, I go ahead and braid it down a couple of times, and then I'm going to add in the human hair. All right, y'all, so I'm going to take a small piece of the human hair. I'm not a person that likes really full braids just because I feel like that stuff get in the way. I'm going to take it and add it in where the curl starts because it has that long piece here. And I find it kind of difficult to add it in with that long piece right there, so I just kind of add it in where it curls. But I take it and put it in the middle like this. Kind of hold that there, kind of like that. and then I start braiding around. And that way that piece, that long piece, actually gets braided in. I'll try to get a better close-up of it later on in the video, but I braid that in until that long piece is completely in the braid to secure the human hair. And then I'll take the curly piece out, put it to the side so it ain't in the way. Then I just continue braiding down. So as you can see, it's secure when you braid it in like that.
So I'm just gonna do the same technique until I'm finished with the back of my hair, and then we'll start on the front. So here's another clip of me feeding in the human hair, and as you can see, the straight piece is on the middle tail of the plait, and I just feed that in like regular. And then once I'm done feeding in that section, I separate the curly hair, and then we have the braid.
Alright y'all, so I am finally done with the back. It took me a little longer than expected, but let me show y'all what it looks like. This is what we have so far. So I did add like tiny pieces of the human hair because I really just didn't want a whole lot of hair when I'm out of town. But yeah, so that's why it's not like as full, because that's kind of really how I wanted it. So I just need to do the front, and we're gonna be doing like the flip over Fulani. So we're gonna have to get creative with how we're gonna I guess do the little parts and stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna start on the front. From the pictures I've been seeing online, it looks like it's a triangle part that comes from like here to here for it to do the flip over. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get that parted off good so we have a good foundation for the style.
So due to the shape of my head, I did use my brows as a guide on where to start my parts.
From what I saw, it looked like a braid, some single braids, a couple of braids, and then the flip over here. So it's just like an alternating pattern from what I remember seeing. Since my hair is thick, I'm not gonna add any extensions through the braid. I'm just gonna add it when I get done with it. So y'all will see what I'm talking about.
So I just go ahead and add my product and start cornrowing like normal.
So there's my cornrow. I'm just gonna braid it down a couple of times. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my braiding here. Okay, so I've added in my 3 pieces, and then I'm gonna braid it down probably 4 or 5 more times, and then go ahead and add my curly hair. All right, so then for my curly hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and add that in. For this next box, I'm gonna go ahead and do the triangle parts for the singles. And so for the triangle parts, I'm just gonna go in at a diagonal here.
So while doing my triangle parts, I just tried to make sure that my diagonals were really sharp and crisp.
So here, just trying to make sure my edge was super sharp for the first diagonal to make this one a triangle.
So now that I have my part the way I want it, I'm just gonna do some normal knotless braids.
And then for these braids in the front, I want a lot of curls, so I'm gonna add curls earlier in the braid on these. All right, so here's the first braid. So I'm gonna repeat this 3 times for this section. Now we're gonna add the braids that go this way. I believe it was like one of those crisscross braids, so I'm gonna do that too. At first I was kind of apprehensive about doing it because I was being lazy, but might as well do it right. The way I do my crisscross braids is I go ahead and part 2 braids. So this is what the part look like. And then I'm going to go ahead and make this into 2. And then I'm going to make 2 boxes here. Because when you're doing the X, you're gonna braid a part of this braid and it's gonna go up here, and then this braid is gonna come down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate this. I'm gonna part it at the same place that I parted this one. I like to make sure those parts line up. So now I'm just gonna add my product here. So next I'm gonna do this one to finish off the X. So here's my X. It may not look the best, but it's in there. And so now I'm just gonna finish doing the rest of the front of my head, and I'm gonna come back when I'm done.
So now that the braids are done, I'm gonna curl the ends of my hair, and I picked a perm rod that size mimic the curl pattern of the twist hair that I use for the curly pieces. Once I had that on, I just dipped that curl in hot water, and now we have some pretty curls that match the human hair.
All right, y'all, so I am done with my hair finally. So this is what we have. I think overall it took me about 8 hours. I used 1 bundle of the human hair and about 4 bundles of the Canon hair. This is what we have. Yeah, I think I did so good. I'm loving the fact that you can flip your hair over and you have like a little surprise every time you flip it over. I did end up curling the ends so everything looks uniform. And this is what the back looks like. So y'all, I'm in love with it. Ah, it's so cute. Ooh, I think I like it like this. This is my birthday hair. Y'all, let me know what y'all think below about this new trending style. Like I said earlier, all the products are gonna be posted in the description below. And yeah, I really like it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. And if you aren't subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe, because I do a lot of cute things with my hair, you know, randomly. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next one.